today we are celebrating our 8th anniversary. So the club started back in 2015 and now it's our 8th year, thankfully. Despite the pandemic and all, the members has remained loyal and the family has remained strong. So here we are celebrating that. We are expecting 100 guests today, plus of course our sponsors and official partners, and of course the full support of Suzuki Philippines, who has supported us since 2015 as well. So they will be here later. The general manager, Mr. Ertiga, is here, and a few more personalities from Suzuki Philippines. Well, we started in 2015 when the car was launched, and then eventually it became a car club. The pioneer members was actually not really car guys, but they wanted the community wherein they can bond together, learn more about the car, share experiences, and then eventually they wanted to help. So through the years, the club has been doing outreach programs aside from the usual meets. So to be able to help, when the Taal volcano actually erupted, we helped. And there's a lot more outreach programs that we have done from the south to the north. So we went to Region 1, Region 2 to do outreach programs. So pretty much, we only stopped during the pandemic, but we intend to resume it given that everything has opened up already. So we look forward to sharing our blessings to everyone that's out there. For those who want to join Club Ertiga Philippines, please do join us to our Facebook groups. So it's Club Ertiga Philippines, just search for it. At the end of the day, we are not just another car club. We are the only recognized Suzuki Ertiga car club. And for us, it's a family rather than a car club. So essentially, we were there to help one another, the camaraderie and everything. So please do join us and help us grow the family and make it a lot stronger.